You are going to love the 2013 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: powered driver's seat, backup camera, traction control, stability control, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, CD player, power door locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know that you're going to be taken care of. 182-point inspections, 12-month, 12,000-mile limited warranties, and 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranties all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.